Brad Hall here, right next to me, the brand new Apple AirPods Pro. I'm going to be tackling a style topic today. I'll share with you the 5 types of sneakers that I think go great with the AirPods. A lot of people asked me to talk about these brand new AirPods in terms of style. I'm really excited about sharing this list with you. Before I get to it, just a quick announcement. I am offering a brand new shirt in my store. I'll put a link in the description. I did put the measurements on that listing, but if you need a visual aid for sizing, I posted that to my Instagram, so check that out too. And I will say this shirt actually would go great with these AirPods Pro. Now back to the topic. To come up with this list, I did do a lot of research. I browsed some style pages on Instagram. I was looking for examples of people wearing AirPods and what types of shoes they were wearing. So that was the research I did. And now I present to you the list. There were a lot of people that wore the Michael Air Jordan 1 with the AirPod. And as you can see, that is a very nice pairing. This is an older model, a classic. The AirPods, that is brand new. So it's a nice mixing of styles. I think that goes really well together. You can go with something very modern, almost futuristic, and just embrace that aesthetic. This is a natural pairing. You're gonna look like someone who is really with it, up on the latest news and gadgets, just as solid of an option as a classic shoe with them. The thing about a black shoe, you are gonna get contrast again. The AirPod, mostly white, just a hint of black. This shoe, mostly black, a hint of white. The black shoe with the AirPod, it is just a nice counterpoint. Now maybe a black shoe is a little too reserved for you. If that's the case, there's good news because a bright, colorful shoe does go nicely with the AirPods too. What I like about this look so much, the AirPod is just white, black, and a little bit of chrome. When you add some color in there, it just makes a big splash. The last type of shoe that made the list, a predominantly white shoe, that just draws out the white in the AirPod with the 700 V2 static. You've almost got the same color scheme here, mostly white, a little bit of black, kind of some shinier moments in there. So this is a really good pairing too. So a quick recap. These are the shoes that go great with the AirPods. Steer clear of anything that isn't on this list. Thanks to everyone who messaged me asking me for this video. I hope I didn't disappoint. And thanks to everyone for watching.